Good morning students. We are going to see about the equipotential surface. What is potential? Potential means work done to move the charge infinity to particular point. For example, consider the point charge located at the center, point B at a distance r from the charge. Now measure the electric potential at a point B due to point charge. That is work done to move the unit test positive charge from infinity to point B. That is work done is electric potential at point B. Formula V equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q by R. Q charge or distance between the two charges. Now equipotential surface. What is equipotential surface? All the points on the surface are same potential. The surface is called equipotential surface. For example, consider the charge Q located at the center. You draw the imaginary sphere around the charge radius r. Suppose sphere 1, it is sphere 2. Mark the number of points in sphere 1 and sphere 2. Now measure the electric potential at point A, B, C, D, E. All points on the surface are equal distance from the charge Q. So potential is same. And circle 2, all points are equal distance from the charge Q. So potential is same all points on the surface. So equipotential surface means all the points on the surface are same potential. The surface is called equipotential surface. For a point charge, spherical surfaces are equipotential surface. The value of equipotential is different for different spherical surfaces. In case uniform electric field, equipotential surfaces are set of planes. So all electric field lines are passing normal to field line. Again, properties of equipotential. Next, properties of equipotential surface. When a charge Q move from one point to another point on the same equipotential surface, work done is 0. Now, charge is moved from infinity to point A. Work done V equal to value V BQ. Then another one work done value VA equal to formula VA into Q. The potential difference between the 2 points is work done B minus work done A equal to VBQ minus VAQ. Q common VB minus VA. The spherical surface are equipotential surface, so potential is same. If VA equal to VB, work done equal to 0. The work done is electric potential difference between the 2 points in the spherical surfaces. And the second one is electric field line is always normal to equipotential surface. Then relation between electric potential and electric field. Now the charge is moved from infinity to particular point. Work done is F dot ds. Okay. For example, Q charge, the unit positive charge move from one point to another point. Work done to move the charge from infinity to a particular point, that is electric potential. Here the charge is moved ds distance in the electric field. Work done equal to force into displacement. Work done equal to dW, force equal to E. E எப்படி அப்படின்னா electric field equal to force by charge. If 1 coulomb of charge, E equal to value F. So E க்கு பதிலா F substitute பண்றோம். ds ங்கிறது displacement. But the charge is same potential. The work done equal to potential difference between the charges. But dV equal to E dot ds, E equal to value dV by ds, dV potential, ds distance. Electric field is negative potential gradient to electric field. Okay. Next topic, electric potential energy for collection of point charges. Now measure the electric potential energy for 2 point charge. Electric potential அப்படின்னா சார்ஜை மூவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு கொடுக்குற ஒர்க் டன் தான் பொட்டன்ஷியல் எனர்ஜியாக ஸ்டோர் ஆகும். Consider the charge Q placed at the free face. Electric potential at point B due to charge Q, formula V equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q1 by R. Now Q2 charge move to point B. Work done equal to V into Q2. இந்த ஃபார்முலா எப்படி வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா 1 யூனிட் பாசிட்டிவ் சார்ஜை இன்ஃபினிட்டி டிஸ்டன்ஸ்ல இருந்து பாயிண்ட் பிக்கு மூவ் பண்ணுறது தான் பொட்டன்ஷியலோட வேல்யூ. 1 கூலும் சார்ஜை இன்ஃபினிட்டி டிஸ்டன்ஸ்ல இருந்து மூவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு பொட்டன்ஷியல் V அப்படின்னா Q2 சார்ஜை மூவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு என்ன ஒர்க் டன் ஈக்குவல் டு V Q2. V வேல்யூ 1 by epsilon naught Q1 by R into value Q2. The work done is stored as the electric potential energy between the 2 point charge. Formula epsilon equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q1 by Q2 by R. So potential energy between 2 point charge depends on the distance between the 2 point charges. Next, potential energy for 3 point charges. To measure the electric potential energy for 3 point charges, you follow the certain method. First one is Q1 charge move from infinity to point A. There is no work done because there is no charge present in the free face. There is no electric field. So work done is 0. Then Q2 charge is move from infinity to point B. Work done equal to formula converted into potential energy epsilon equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by distance value R12. Then charge Q3 infinity to point C move பண்ணனும். Then Q3 charge move into point C against the charge 1 Q1. இதில் Q1 electric field produce பண்ணோம், Q2 charge electric field produce பண்ணோம். இந்த 2 electric fieldக்கு against move பண்ணுறதுக்கு work done கொடுக்குறோம். இப்போ இந்த Q2 chargeக்கு against move பண்ணக்கூடிய work done value 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q2 Q3 by R23. Work done to move the charge at point C against charge Q1 value 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q1 Q3 by R13. But total work done equal to Q1 charge இவ்வளோ work done, இந்த work done value Q1 Q3 charge work done value 3 values add பண்ணுறோம். But total work done equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught common Q1 Q2 by R12 plus Q2 Q3 by R23 plus Q1 Q3 by R13. The work done is stored as electric potential energy of point charges. Conclusion: work done to assemble all the charges equal to electric potential energy of the system. இதில் எனி ஆர்டரில் சார்ஜை ரீஅரேஞ்ச் பண்ணாலும் ஒர்க் டன் இஸ் சேம். ஓகே.